What is reasonable accommodation for pets in rental units? Have you ever wondered how pet policies work when it comes to tenants with disabilities? Understanding reasonable accommodation for pets in rental units is essential for both landlords and tenants. Let's break it down. Reasonable accommodation refers to changes made by landlords to their usual pet policies. This is especially important for tenants with disabilities who need service animals or emotional support animals. These accommodations are required by law to ensure that everyone has equal access to housing. A reasonable accommodation might mean allowing a tenant to keep a pet even if the property has a strict no pets policy. This is particularly relevant for service animals, which are trained to assist individuals with disabilities. Emotional support animals provide comfort but may not have specialized training. Under laws like the Fair Housing Act, landlords must allow these animals, even if they generally prohibit pets. This means landlords cannot charge extra fees or deposits for service animals or emotional support animals. They also cannot impose breed or weight restrictions that would apply to regular pets. Tenants may need to provide documentation from a licensed healthcare professional to verify the need for an emotional support animal. However, landlords can still enforce rules against disruptive behavior, like excessive noise or property damage. There are exceptions, too. If accommodating the animal would create an undue financial burden or fundamentally change the nature of the housing service, landlords may not be required to allow the pet. For property managers, it is important to have a clear process for tenants to request these accommodations. Engaging in a conversation with tenants helps verify their needs and determine the best course of action. Updating policies to comply with fair housing laws is essential. This includes distinguishing between regular pets and those that qualify for accommodation. Training staff on these requirements can help prevent discrimination claims and support fair tenant screening. Maintaining records of accommodation, requests, and decisions is also important for legal compliance. This ensures that landlords are following the law while also managing their properties effectively. In the end, reasonable accommodation for pets balances the rights of landlords to enforce pet policies with the legal obligations to support tenants with disabilities. While pet restrictions help maintain property standards, allowing service animals and emotional support animals is vital for equal access to housing.